Read the news story again. Write as many WH questions as you can about the news story. Begin your questions with who, what, when, where, why, and how.
Examples. When did the class go on a field trip? How did the students travel to the Liberation War Museum?
Now we'll make questions using WH words. First read the answers, then make questions. Click on the blank.
When did they go on a field trip? On 14th December, they went on a field trip. Who took them to the tour? A guide took them to the tour. When did the bus reach at museum? The bus reached the museum at 10 a.m. What did they see at Gallery 6? At Gallery 6, they saw personal belongings. What was the film about? The film was on Liberation War and Independence. How many galleries were there? There were 6 galleries.
Group work. Ask and answer your questions from Activity D.
When did the class go on a field trip?
On the 14th of December. Now, ask and answer in your group.
Look at the news story again. Answer the questions.
1. What is the name of the student magazine? 2. Who is the magazine for? 3. Who writes the articles in the magazine? 4. What is the title of the news story in the student magazine? 5. Who is the writer of the news story? 1. What is the name of the student? 2. Who is the magazine for? 3. Who writes the articles in the magazine? 4. What is the title of the news story in the student magazine? 5. Who is the writer of the news story?